the Delta works. The Dutch defence system against the water, which took many years to build, still attracts a lot of international attention. The Eastern Schelder barrier is a major part of these Delta works. A lockable storm surge barrier with a total length of almost 8 kilometres. This barrier only closes during heavy storms in combination with high water levels. The rest of the time, the slides are left completely open, and huge amounts of water flow through it during high and low tides. This powerful, predictable, and continuous flow is the perfect source for generating clean and reliable energy for our future. Tidal has been given the opportunity by the Dutch Ministry of Infrastructure Works to make this dream come true.
Kijk, veiligheid staat voor Rijkswaterstaat bovenaan. Maar we zijn geweldig trots dat we aan dit soort projecten mogen meewerken, kunnen meewerken, om innovatieve ideeën van de markt voor duurzame energieopwekking te ondersteunen.
The ambitious company specializes in generating clean energy from tidal currents using submerged turbines.
Getijdenenergie is een hele interessante vorm van duurzame energie vanwege de voorspelbaarheid. Wij kunnen in de wereld 10% van de energiebehoefte met getijdenenergie voorzien.
These turbines are designed and built in the head of North Holland. For the Eastern Schelder, Tidal is constructing 5 turbines that will be suspended in one of the gates of the surge barrier. The turbines work like underwater windmills. They're equipped with blades that can run both ways. This allows them to generate electricity both at low and high tide, as much as 1.2 megawatts. Enough to keep more than 1,000 households running. The development of the turbines lasted several years and is now proven technology.
Zeeland is land in zee. We zijn omringd door de zee. En dit project, energie halen uit de kracht van het water, is een project waar wij heel erg trots op zijn. Wij vinden dit een betekenis hebben voor de hele wereld. We willen die kennis exporteren. En ik ben natuurlijk ook heel trots dat 3 Zeeuwse bedrijven aan meegewerkt hebben om te bouwen.
The Eastern Schelder project is the biggest project for tidal power in the Netherlands. And with 5 parallel turbines, the largest commercial tidal plant in the world. In order to realize such a project, a good dose of courage is required, with reliable partners that share a passion for innovation and a cleaner future for the Earth. Houseman in Schiedam designed, built and funded the suspension structure of the tidal installation. The company has extensive experience in the design and manufacturing of heavy construction equipment for the world's leading on- and offshore companies. The suspension installation for the turbines consists of a 44-metre-long main tube with a 4-metre diameter. 5 arms are attached to this tube. The main tube is large enough to house the entire control room, and it holds all components necessary to generate electricity from the force of the water with the turbines. After everything has been extensively tested, the entire installation is transported to the Eastern Schelder, where it is installed at its permanent location within the storm surge barrier. The installation is a process that is carried out under great scrutiny, as the turbines are fixed directly to the existing construction of the storm surge barrier. In just a few hours, the huge row of turbines is suspended in its final location. A few weeks later, the turbines start operation. Because they are suspended in front of the storm surge barrier, it remains fully operational at all times. The suspension is also capable of lifting the turbines out of the water at an easily accessible angle, high enough for maintenance and inspection.
We zijn hier 10 jaar mee bezig geweest en het feit dat ze nu geïnstalleerd zijn, dat ze draaien, dat je echt de potentie ziet, je ziet het stromende water. Ja, ik ben mijn hele leven met water bezig geweest en dit is wel een van de absolute hoogtepunten. Deze locatie hier is ideaal, je ziet de hoge stroomsnelheid en daarmee kunnen we alle buitenlandse gasten laten zien wat wij als Nederland kunnen. En kunnen zij dat zelf vertalen naar hun eigen markten en krijgen wij een hele grote exportmarkt voor ons bedrijf, maar ook voor het Nederlands bedrijfsleven.
A wonderful example of Dutch innovation. Energy for the future. We are ready for it.